Today, we will talk about how to start a dry cleaning business. Let's have a look at the details. A dry cleaning business offers a valuable service many people are looking for. Since there will always be a demand for dry cleaning services for clothing and household items, a business of this type can be viable in many locations across the globe. With the right planning and execution, starting a dry cleaning business can be an exciting way to own your own business. The first step is planning your business. Gain experience. Before opening your own business, try working in an existing dry cleaning shop for a few months to a year. This will help you determine if the dry cleaning business is right for you, and can teach you valuable skills that you can bring to your own business. Research the market. Chances are you will have a difficult time starting up a dry cleaning business if you've never worked in that market before. Decide on a location and model. You'll want to know in advance where you plan on opening your business, so you can factor in the cost of renting a storefront. Write a business plan. This should be a formal declaration of your professional goals and your plans for attaining those goals. And the second step is opening your business. Secure funding. Once you've set a budget and calculated your projected profits and losses, you'll need to secure funding to get your business off the ground. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses. You'll need a special permit and license to operate a dry cleaning business, and you'll probably need to renew your license and permit on a regular basis. Rent or purchase equipment. Buy from reputable equipment manufacturers and dealers, or consider buying equipment in good working condition from a dry cleaner who is going out of business. Hire a staff. It's best if your staff has relevant experience and knows how to work at a dry cleaning business. Market your business. Social media allows businesses to advertise for free and lets customers reach out directly to business owners. You can even offer special discounts or coupons through social media, which would encourage customers to follow your business online. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.